Lloyds Bank offers a range of savings accounts designed to suit different financial goals and preferences. Their savings account rates are competitive, giving customers options to grow their money safely while keeping access flexible. Among their offerings, the Easy Saver account provides an interest rate of 4.25% AER for balances up to $10,000. This account is ideal for short-term saving, with easy access to funds and no fees for withdrawals, making it a reliable choice for building an emergency fund or saving for upcoming expenses. For longer-term savers, the fixed-term deposit accounts provide higher interest rates in exchange for locking in funds for a set period. For a 12-month term, the interest rate is 5.1% AER, and for a 24-month term, it increases to 5.5% AER. These accounts are perfect for individuals who want predictable returns and can leave their money untouched for a defined time frame. The fixed rates offer security against fluctuations in market interest rates, giving peace of mind to those seeking steady growth. Lloyds Bank also offers an online saver account with a 4.5% AER rate for balances up to $15,000. This account is managed entirely online, making it convenient for customers who prefer digital banking. Funds can be transferred in and out without penalties, providing flexibility along with competitive returns. Interest is calculated daily and paid annually, helping to maximize growth over time. All accounts are covered by the UK Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which protects deposits up to $100,000, providing security for all savers. Opening an account is straightforward, with applications completed online or in-branch, and no monthly fees apply to these savings accounts. Overall, Lloyds Bank savings accounts combine competitive interest rates, accessibility, and safety, making them a strong option for both short-term and long-term savers looking to make their money work harder.